Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a liquid cooler. First, carefully unbox your new all-in-one liquid cooler and confirm that all parts, including the radiator, fans, and mounting hardware, are included. Next, take a moment to review your motherboard's manual to identify the appropriate CPU fan and pump headers. Finally, prepare your computer case by opening the side panel and removing any drive bays or covers that might obstruct the installation process. This initial preparation saves time. Now let's mount the radiator and fans. Most cases offer top, front, or rear mounting options for your radiator. Consider your case's airflow and component clearance. Attach the fans to the radiator, paying close attention to their orientation for either intake or exhaust. Typically, you want cool air drawn in. Then, carefully position the radiator assembly and secure it firmly to your case using the provided screws, ensuring a snug fit. Next, we will install the CPU block. If your cooler does not have pre-applied thermal paste, apply a small, pea-sized amount to the center of your CPU's integrated heat spreader. This ensures optimal heat transfer. Carefully align the CPU block with the mounting holes around your CPU socket. Gently lower the block onto the CPU, then secure it by tightening the 4 screws in a diagonal pattern until they are finger-tight. Do not over-tighten. Finally, let's handle the wiring and initial power on. Connect the pump's 3-pin or 4-pin power cable to the dedicated pump header on your motherboard. Then, plug the radiator fans into the CPU fan headers or a fan controller for proper speed control. Before closing your case, double-check all connections. Power on your system, and observe for any leaks or unusual noises for about 5 minutes. If all looks good, you are ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.